Shorty got love on, baby. I know you're home, baby. It's lit.
I told her I like my shoes.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing today and a styling video on some Chunky Dad sneakers, and yeah, you're gonna like it, so why not like and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? All right, okay, let's do this. So they come in this just this black and brown box. I got these from Shein and they were 20 bucks after I used like a 20% off coupon. They're originally like 24 or something, but I used a coupon or whatever. So I got a size 40, and the sizing was really hard for me because there was like some people saying, it's too big, it's too small. So I was like, oh my god, what do I do? So I guess we're just gonna see how they fit on me, and that's whatever, because if they're like too small, I'm gonna cry. It's the right there. Y'all see this? Come on. Woo! Comes with like a little dust paper and stuff, and they have the shoes. All right. Okay, yeah, this is like. There we go. Yep, y'all see that? I know y'all see that. The nice colors or whatever, all these different colors. I see y'all. Okay, that's just like yeah. And I seen them on Shein, and then I had my coupon. And I was like, why not? Because I really need some chunky sneakers, and I don't got Balenciaga money. So, and these are like cuter than the regular Balenciagas in my opinion. So why not get these? So these are like a good steal or whatever. You can see like all the different colors and all that. Has like the little stuff inside to keep the shape. Oh yeah, they have like this little arrow thing on the back. I don't know if that's like the brand or whatever, I guess. And all that jazz. Yeah. So I'm gonna go try these on and see how they fit.
You better watch your back before she turn into a killer. Just review the situation, not to call the winner. To be a true player, you have to know how to play. If she say a night, convince her say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. And if she claim her, you tell her, baby, no way. But she caught me on the counter. Wasn't me. Saw me banging on the sofa. I even had her in the shower. She even caught me on camera. She saw the marks on my shoulder. Heard the words that I told her. Heard the screams getting louder. She stayed until it was over.
Okay guys, so it's the end of the video, and I did the little lookbook or whatever, the styling video for the sneakers. So one last look, this last outfit that I paired them with, this is my favorite with the socks and everything. This outfit is so cute to me because like just the whole the blue tie-dye, the yellow, it's just, come on, like let's do like an overall like little review of the sneaker. And I only wore these outside like just to take the like styling vids, and they do get a little dirty on the bottom, but I mean like they're sneakers, but they're all white on the bottom, so just keep that in mind. I'm hoping that these don't get too dirty, like the siding and stuff, but yeah. And then there's like white mesh on the back. There's like this little, I really like this, like just like this mesh panel, like I don't know how to, like it's just thing. And it shows in the back of the sneaker. Like this, whoever created this was like really creative or whatever. And then like it's like the style, the overall, the look is a 10. Like everything about the sneaker is a 10. The threading, it's just, and then like the green, the blue ribbon, The overall look is a 10. Comfortability, I don't know how to say that. How do they feel? They feel like pretty great to me. Like, they're like, the soles are like bouncy. I don't know what this is made out of, but like they're pretty like good. It's not like just a hard brick that you're stepping on, but they're pretty bouncy or whatever. Price $20. We don't even need to discuss that. Like, that was a steal or whatever. For sizing, well, where I got it from, Shein, I'll put the link below, but I get your size, but only one size up. I went a little bit like, I wear 8.5, so I kind of went like 2 sizes up, and I regret that. They are a little spacey in them, so get your regular sizing, but like, if you know, like, I'm not really sure. Like, I'm an 8.5 and I got a 40. Europe is a Europe 40. So like, just use that as reference. Yeah, so hope you guys like the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and a lot more videos coming soon. So hopefully you subscribe, because like, we finna get it popping up in here, you know. Tell a friend to share a friend, you know. Copy the link below, send it to your group chat, whatever y'all got going on, you know. So yeah, so thanks for watching my unboxing and my styling video, and